What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, Keto Savage.
Crystal Sykes, the Lady Savage.
And Raiji with Keto Brick. And we wanted to do a little recap on Keto Con. We just got back from Keto Con this past week, and as always, it was freaking awesome. So it was like a big family reunion, and Crystal's been telling me that I talk too much when I'm recording videos, so I'm gonna let her say a few things about Keto Con.
We did have a crazy busy booth. We had a lot of the apparel. We did the Keto Con shirts, but then we also did some of our own, like Live Savage apparel, and then we were also selling the bricks and then Robert's books and things like that. It was a really good time. It was like, I feel like the crew was constantly busy in the booth, and we are so grateful to have them because it was rocking.
Yeah, I mean, like Keto Con is literally, like if you're working Keto Con, like if you get a booth there, if you're speaking there, you don't go there to relax. Like it is nonstop from the moment you get there. And we had all kinds of issues getting there. So we drove from Arkansas to Austin. We have a cargo van. That broke down. We lost some stuff out of the back of the truck. We lost a box of supplies for the apparel out of the back of the truck. 20 minutes after we lost that, the van's transmission went out. So we had to go find a U-Haul. We had to move everything from the van to the U-Haul, drive the U-Haul down to Austin. They tell me that the van's going to be $9,000 to repair, so total headache there. We get there because of all the issues getting there. It was late getting there, so we had to like get the whole booth set up last minute, and then that was Thursday. Friday, it's off to the races. We've got several speakers on Friday. We got the booth popping.
We had a dinner.
Yeah, we had a VIP dinner on Friday, and then Saturday I had to get there early because I was part of the entrepreneur mastermind talking about business. And that was early Saturday morning. Several more vendors, speakers, other engagements there. And there was a party shindig Saturday night. And then Sunday is when I spoke my main presentation, turning passion into a lifestyle. So that was the main thing on Sunday for us. And then we had, again, more booth activity going on there. And we worked out every morning that we could. And then we all drove back together, to come back on Monday morning. So the Airbnb was super nice. Everything was super nice. The crew, we couldn't have done it without them. The conference, always freaking popping. Keto Con is a great place to be. So if you did not come this year, you missed out big time. They had a whole bunch of biohacking booths there. A lot more biohacking health booths than like food product booths that they have in the past. But great conference as always. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah, they have the conference next year is not in April. It'll be the first weekend in June next year. So put that on your calendar. Get some tickets. All the things.
Get some tickets. And Rigel was a rock star too. He was actually at last year's conference. He was 7 weeks old then. He's almost a year now, so he's a Keto Con connoisseur of sorts. But appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully we met you in person at the conference. If we didn't this time, hopefully we can meet you in person next time. Appreciate Rob and the whole team for hosting the conference, and much love to you all.